Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make ranch dressing with yogurt. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, which forms the creamy base of our dressing. We'll also use fresh herbs like dill and chives, along with common pantry spices such as garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. This method is quick and yields a delicious, healthier alternative to traditional ranch. Now that you have your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the 1 cup of Greek yogurt, your chopped fresh herbs, and all the dry spices. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, either dairy or non-dairy, until it reaches your desired thickness. This ensures a perfect texture every time. Before chilling, give your ranch dressing a taste test. This is your chance to adjust any seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs to suit your preference. For an extra bright and fresh flavor, squeeze in about 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Once seasoned to perfection, cover the bowl and chill the dressing in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. Your delicious homemade yogurt ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for drizzling over salads, serving as a dip for vegetables, or even as a spread on sandwiches. For any leftovers, simply transfer the dressing to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and tasty for up to 5 days. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful ranch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.